learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're getting into a situation where you need help and someone helps you. And that person will say, let me help you. 我来帮你. How do you say that?
我来老天数.
我来老天数. 天数这个就很常常教啦。
帮忙
right? That's the most important part of the phrase because 天数 means help. All right, let's say today you can't finish a report. Maybe it's a school report, maybe it's work report. You want your partner to help you. 报告写不出来怎么办? I can't finish my report. What should I do?
报告写不出来.
报告写不出来. OK, 出来就是写不出来，出来了。下，那跟那个台语很像下也就是写 That means write 下 I can't write my report. I can't finish it. 怎么办？
用格杀
用格杀 That's very cute. That just means what should I do? 用格杀 And of course, at this point, I would say 我来帮你嘛 Let me help you.
我來老天數
我來老天數
海陸腔幫忙呢天數
Okay, how about a different dialect for help? 天數 Okay, that's a different dialect. And the response, of course, it's got to be sweet. And it's 真的吗？你人真好。听到这句话就会觉得说好，我帮得很舒服了。
对
Really? You're so nice.
有樣麼？
有樣麼？這是真的嗎 Really?
人懂好哦。
人懂好哦，就是你的人真好啊，对不对？懂好 that means very, very good. This person, you are very, very nice. Oh, that's very cute. All right. When you ask for help nicely, you will get help. Let's review some of these terms. 報告 a report.
報告
to write 寫下 Okay, it's just like Taiwanese. 刚刚教怎麼辦，這一定也要再 read 一次了哈。What should I do? 怎麼辦？
用格殺
And finally, how about 你人真好 You are so nice.
人懂好哦。
要溫柔一點好不好？
人懂好哦。
That's right, you gotta say it in that tone, and then the other person will feel so good about it. You are so nice, you are so sweet. 人懂好哦。All right, it's all about helping people. 跟大家再講一次，怎麼說？我來幫你 Let me help you.
我來老天數
我來老天數 And there you go, another great practical edition of this week's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.